If you want to make sure everyone who fills out your forms in HubSpot gets timely, professional follow-up emails, this video is absolutely for you. By the end, you'll have a simple, automated system set up, so those important messages go out instantly after each form submission. It's a game changer for lead nurturing, customer service, and just keeping your communication smooth and consistent. Let's dive straight into setting this up inside HubSpot, step by step, so you can start sending those automated follow-up emails with confidence. Start by heading into your HubSpot dashboard and navigating to the Marketing section. Here, you'll find the Forms tool, which is where all your web forms, from contact forms to event registrations, are managed. Just click on Marketing at the top, then Forms. If you already have a form you want to connect with a follow-up email, hover over it and click Edit. Need a new form for a fresh campaign? No problem, there's an option right here to create a new form as well. Take your time here. Make sure you're working with the correct form, since each one can have unique follow-up needs. Once you're in the form editor, look to the left-hand panel for the Workflows icon. Depending on which version of HubSpot you're using, you might see automation instead. This is just what older accounts call it. Either way, that's your gateway to automating what happens after someone submits your form. Click it, and you'll see several options for what you can set up, and we're focusing on sending that quick, helpful follow-up email. Right under the section labeled Send an Email After Form Submission, you'll see an option to create this workflow. By choosing this, you're telling HubSpot to trigger an action, specifically sending your chosen email every time someone completes the form. It's like setting a domino in motion. One step automatically leads to the next. Now you get to decide exactly which email goes out. A drop-down menu will appear showing your existing emails. These are ones you've already created in HubSpot. If you want to craft something new, maybe a thank you message or a resource download link, you can pause here and create that email first. Select your preferred email from the drop-down. This is your chance to make things personal or relevant for your audience. For instance, if someone downloads a guide, make sure your follow-up email delivers that guide and perhaps a friendly invitation to reach out with questions. Finally, just click the Turn on Workflow button. This might sound simple, but it's the step where everything comes together. Once you turn it on, HubSpot will instantly begin dispatching the follow-up emails every time your form is submitted. You don't need to manually track anything, and your new contacts get the assurance that you're responsive, something that can really improve trust and conversion rates. And that's it, you've set up an automated follow-up email system using HubSpot. There might be a few seconds of setup, and if you're new to workflows, don't worry if you need to double-check each step. It's much better to go slowly and make sure your emails have all the essential details before you go live. I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and straightforward. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like, it really helps out. Drop any questions you have about HubSpot automation in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on marketing tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy automating!